BabyBus.
Town life. What profession do you want to learn today? Driver. Let's put it together. Truck. Bus. Parking lot. The driver has great driving skills. Some can transport goods, while others can carry people. Let's experience. I'm Kiki, the truck driver. This is today's work. Let's get to work. Before we go, let's have the vehicle. Uh-oh, we're low on gas. Let's refuel the vehicle. The vehicle is gassed up. Now it is ready for action. The rear-view mirrors are clean. The license plate is fine. The tire is fine. Great! The maintenance is finished. Let's load it up. Drag the goods into the vehicle. Great! The loading is done. Fasten your seatbelt and get ready to go. Drive the truck to deliver goods. We have to avoid the obstacles on the road. To our destination. Help me unload the goods. Well done! See you next time! I'm so happy to be of help to you all! Wow! Here are the coins from my hard work! This profession is so interesting!